Warning: the following video contains realistic depictions of an aircraft collision that may be disturbing to some viewers. Discretion is advised. On July 17, 2022, noon, two aircraft were maneuvering for landing at North Las Vegas Airport. One was a high-performance Piper Malibu. The other, a Cessna 172 trainer. Neither made it to the runway. This was a fatal midair. And it happened under clear skies, with both aircraft talking to the same tower, in a Class D airspace, at an airport with parallel active runways. That shouldn't end in disaster. Let's break it down. The low-wing Piper, tail number November 97 Charlie X-ray, was on an IFR flight heading to their home airport. ATC instructed them to cross midfield and enter the left downwind for runway 30 left. At the same time, the high-wing Cessna, tail number November 160 Romeo Alpha, was on a training flight. They were in the right traffic pattern and got cleared for a short approach to runway 30 right. Two runways, two aircraft, one fatal conflict inbound. Now, North Las Vegas has parallel runways, and it's legal to operate both at the same time. ATC assigns left traffic for one, right traffic for the other, and expects everyone to see and avoid. That's what happened here, at least in theory. But the system relies on visibility, timing, and proper pattern sequencing. And something went wrong. ATC told the Cessna to turn base behind another aircraft, but that aircraft had already landed. And the Malibu? It was inbound, not yet called out to the Cessna. The instructor in the Cessna believed they were following traffic that wasn't there. When they turned base, they didn't realize the Malibu was crossing midfield to join the left base for runway 30 left, but the Malibu overshot 30 left and directly converged on the Cessna's path. Neither pilot ever made a traffic advisory call. Neither had the other in sight. ATC didn't warn them. At 12:03 p.m., as the Cessna descended through about 1,600 feet, the Piper struck them from behind. The Malibu's nose gear hit the Cessna's tail. The Cessna pitched sharply and slammed into a concrete drainage basin near the airport perimeter. The Piper fell nearly vertical into a dirt field adjacent to taxiway A3. All four aboard both aircraft were killed. The NTSB ruled the cause as a failure to maintain visual separation by both crews, but called out ATC for critical missteps. They didn't give a traffic advisory for the Malibu. They misidentified the aircraft the Cessna was supposed to follow, and they allowed both aircraft to operate too close, too fast, without proper sequencing. This wasn't weather. It wasn't mechanical failure. It was a breakdown in airspace coordination on a clear day. In memory of the 4 lives lost, and as a reminder that see and avoid only works when everyone knows who's coming. If this story hit you, drop a comment, smash that like, and subscribe for more real-world aviation breakdowns. We're just getting started. Help us climb to 1,000 and stay in the pattern for the next one.